Today, gentlemen, I shall be showing you how to download Escargot, which is a patched up version of MSN that works on Windows 10, and actually, doesn't suck. I mean, MSN never sucked, Skype did, but so. So, here's a supported list of the clients that you can use, and here's the little thingamabobs. And you learn how to get started, and then you sign up for an account, and then you follow the steps there, which I've already done. And I already download, and then when you go to download, you just download MSN, the Windows Live Messenger, go to your language, probably English, and then you just download it here. I downloaded Windows Live Messenger 8.5 patched version, and this is what you're seeing right here. So here, you just gotta run the installer, and you install it, and then you run the patch. Once you run that, if it lets me run, okay, no. But once you run that, you just run the patch right here, and then you just patch up the file right here, which I've already done. Then here, you would just sign into your account, which I've also already done. And, well, let's do it here. Anything cool right here? This does not have anyone on it. Click add button. Okay, wait. Cool, wait. I'll be right back. I need to go find if there's anyone to talk to. Okay, wait, there's people to talk to right here. But I don't know where. We'll deal with that later. But for now, there's YouTube. Probably using Internet Explorer like integrated onto it. Okay, cool. That's no. Why are you dying on me? Okay. Okay, I think it's done dying. Okay, we can personalize this. Cyan. Oh yeah, let's go. Show the menu bar. Go back. What's old is new again. Yeah, thank you, Escargot. Open your email box. Or not. Wait. Okay, hello, world. Boom, look at that. Sharing files. What one is live today? Let's see. News. Interesting. Okay, cool. I found interesting things. Okay. Contact information. Okay, wait. I think this is that, but if you want to do the same thing, then please go ahead, and here's my Escargot chat email or whatever, if you want to, contact me or whatever. But feel free to do so, because I have no friends. This is Wonky, signing out.